Hi, this is Alina Joy from HappyUnconventionalLife.com, and today I want to give you a sneak peek, like a behind-the-scenes tour of CTCMath. So CTCMath is an online math curriculum. It's so convenient because it is all online, so if you can get on the internet, you can do math. And it's all set up for you. All the lessons are done, ready to go, and you literally just press play and let your kids have at it. So this is the parent dashboard. This is what you're going to see when you sign in. I've set up a sample account just to kind of walk you through it and let you see how it works. But this is the home page for parents is just a summary of what's going on with your account. You can see my sample student is over here, and the homework that I made for my sample student is here in the latest tasks. And you can see I don't have anything that recently expired and nothing coming up, but that's my current one going on. So you add tasks, homework assignments, by simply clicking on the taskbar, and you can just click over here, add a task, and fill it out. Really intuitive. If you can use a computer, you can do this. Just simple stuff. And then the tools. So the tools are interesting. Here we go. Here's a place where you can browse all the lessons. You can see there's just tons and tons and tons and tons of them. I'm scrolling so fast, but there's hundreds and hundreds here that we're going through. And so you could, if you're looking for something particular, let's look for something in pre-calculus, and I want to find something, I think it was in part 2, and which topic am I going to put? Functions. We're going to look for functions, and then it takes me right to those lessons so that I don't have to scroll through so many. So that makes it much easier to find stuff. Now, when I'm ready to export data, if I have to submit records to somebody, you can just print it off. You've got the CSV files right here. You can just print it off and it's easy to go. Or if you're not a spreadsheet person, that's like me, I'm not. I really like the checklist, so I'm going to just show you the geometry checklist. You just click download before you start the course with your kids, and it takes you to this checklist, and it shows you all the lessons of the checklist, and then as the term goes on, you just fill out the date that you completed each lesson. You're going to fill that out here, and then the grade that they got in the lesson, and you put that in your binder, and you're set. You're ready to go. All your record keeping, it's just basic and easy. So I'm going to close that. Now that's the parent dashboard. Let's switch to the student view. Here we go. I'm going to walk you through the student view. Now it jumps to the last lesson that I was working on, but the student view, again, you can access all the lessons from the students. So if your student has something where they need to go back and fill in a gap, it doesn't matter if they're in a particular grade. You're not just paying for one grade. You're getting everything. So they can go back as far as they need to and fill in any gaps. So let's just go back to fractions for kindergartners. And here's the nice thing they have. If you're not sure, if you have a child that's been doing math somewhere else and you're not sure what level they're at, it's fine. You just have them do a short quiz, and we're going to click the short one, and it'll help you know where your child is. So which shapes have halves colored in? Let's see. We'll pick this, 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 and this. Submit. Oops, it didn't click on that one. Well, I knew it. I know the answer to kindergarten stuff. Okay, so it's just going to give a little test, and then that'll help you to know. So let's go back. You want me to go back? Let's take me back. Alright, so anyway, so that's the lessons. I haven't set any tasks for the student. My results. This is where I can go ahead and see any lessons and any diagnostic tests that my student has done. I can take a look and see how they did, and that helps me stay on top of things. And actually, I'll show you this, the summary reports. Well, this is a sample account, so we don't have anything, but you would see summary reports. You'll see the diagnostic test I did yesterday. So there's a diagnostic test there, and that's just a record of what we've got going on. Test, nothing to display. You can, the kids as they go through it, they can earn awards, and so there aren't any in this account, but that's something that they can do, and it just makes it more fun. And so you can see there's platinum, gold, silver, and bronze. So it just makes it more enjoyable for the children. And then speed skills, this is a game. I'm going to show you that at the end. But that'll, when I show you the speed skills game, this is where you find the results for that. And then settings, that just, yeah, it just lets you make things whatever color you want, and you can set up your own settings. So it's just super easy to use and intuitive. And then here's a, this is my history, some things I need to finish quickly, and then my timeline of things I've done. This is what I did yesterday and then an hour ago, and you know, so it'll give you a record of that. Now I wanted to show you the games, because this is really fun. So down here at the bottom of all the pages, they have these 3 links, and I was like, oh, what is that? So let's click on swap pieces. Now this looks so easy, right? I have not figured it out. I was messing with it yesterday, and I don't know how to do it. But it's a brain teaser, and so after your kids are done their math, you can be like, yeah, you can work on that for a while. So you just click on it, and it moves over, and then you have to get all the blue ones on the blue squares and all the red circles on the red squares. And you do that by just clicking on them and moving them over, and now I have to, right? Okay, but that's wrong because now I can't get any of these blue guys out. So that's just a fun brain teaser. And let's go at speed skills. This is the game that I was showing you a minute ago. We're going to click level 1, we're going to click addition, and then it's just helping children master their facts really quickly. So it's going to do a countdown timer, 3, 2, 1. 0 plus 7 is 7. And we're just adding in the numbers. And see, it's just drilling me. So I'm not going to go through the whole thing. But that's a fun way for kids to practice their facts. Oops, I clicked on the wrong one. And then the times table. This is a game. This is actually kind of fun. If your kids like video games, they'll like this. So we're going to pick the 1 times tables. And then what you do is, it's going to give me a math question. 9 times 1, I have to go under and shoot the 9. 8 times 1 is 8. 11 times 1, 11. So you have to get the right one. What happens when you get the wrong one? Nope. 5 times 1, 5. Oops, missed it. Right, so that's just kind of fun. So, how do I get out of here? There we go. I'm just going to hit back. There we go. Alright, so that is pretty much everything on the CTCMath that I wanted to show you. And now right below this video, you're going to see a discount, and CTCMath gives homeschoolers 60% off, which makes it really affordable. The other thing I wanted to tell you is that technically, like it defaults that you can have 5 children, and so it's one price for your entire family. It defaults to 5 children. If you have more children, that's not a problem. They're so homeschool friendly. You can just call them up and say, hey, I've got more than 5 kids, and they'll fix that for you. So I hope you enjoyed this tour. I tried to go fast. There's a lot to show you, but I hope you enjoyed the tour, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me at alinajoy@happyunconventionallife.com or send an email to CTCMath. Talk to you later. Bye!